eat this oil, it causes the blood to thin. It disperses on the skin. It's a lovely oil to take via mouth, so you get nice, supple skin.
Olivia and Amelia are two sisters, age near about 55. Their age difference 2 years. Amelia is younger, but seems like more age than Olivia. Some signs of old age have appeared on the face and hand. On the other hand, though older, Olivia is more beautiful than Amelia. Amelia wants to know what the secrets of her beautiful face and skin is. She said, "I follow naturopathy guideline of Dr. Barbara O'Neill. As a result, I am more lucrative and energetic than any women at my age group." Amelia did not believe, how could it possible to get beautiful wrinkle-free skin as this age?
Hi everyone. Today we are diving into an interesting topic about how to stop your aging line on face based on Dr. Barbara O'Neill naturopathy. We are deeply diving into how top 3 seeds to reverse your aging that likely works as an anti-aging agent. Aging is a natural process that becomes noticeable in men, typically starting in their late 30s or early 40s. One of the first signs of aging is the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the face, particularly around the eyes, forehead, and mouth. These lines, often referred to as crow's feet or laugh lines, are caused by a combination of factors, including the natural decrease in collagen and elastin production, which leads to a loss of skin elasticity. Sun exposure, stress, lifestyle habits such as smoking, and genetics also play significant roles in how and when a man starts to show visible signs of aging. As time progresses, these fine lines may deepen into more pronounced wrinkles, often accompanied by sagging skin and a more tired appearance.
When it comes to aging, one of the few things that scientists agree on is that it happens to everyone. But nobody really knows why we age. Aging has long occupied a central position in the collective human consciousness. Now, in this eye-opening new book, biologist Stephen Austad investigates the history, the theories, and the personalities behind the quest to understand it. In Why We Age, he offers real evidence from the front lines of research that science is finally closing in on its fundamental processes. A leading expert on aging, Dr. Austad clears away the clutter of exaggeration and folklore to present a full picture of the new understanding of what aging is, why it happens, most provocatively whether it can be controlled. Today, most scientists think that aging is caused by a complex interplay of different factors, including genetics, programmed physiological changes to our cells, and behavioral and environmental influences. Much of this process is unavoidable. In a sense, our cells are code to die off as time passes. For example, consider the role of telomeres. Telomeres are the protective tips at the end of chromosomes. They're often compared to the plastic tips on shoelaces, and they play a similar role. But over time, telomeres shorten, leaving the genetic material of your chromosomes more vulnerable to unraveling. As well, when you grow older, your cells experience more oxidative stress. That's what happens when free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage DNA, aren't balanced by antioxidants in your body. The result is cell damage, which contributes to many of the changes that accompany aging.
Telomere shortening is considered a key marker of aging, and research indicates that significantly shortened telomeres are associated with an increased risk of developing various diseases and a potentially reduced lifespan, essentially signifying a poorer survival rate due to the cellular deterioration linked to short telomeres.
There are many different messages on fats.
To protect the erosion of telomeres, or if you want get wrinkle-free face and better health, must eat 3 best anti-aging seeds daily. It makes you look younger too. Before jumping the main topic, it is important to know about fatty acid, that is omega, and we will find how omega-3 helps to increase telomeres. Also find the answer, how can telomeres play a role in anti-aging?
The omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 is a fat that we hear a lot of.
Omega fatty acids are long chains of carbon atoms with a double bond. They are a type of polyunsaturated fat and are essential nutrients that the body cannot produce on its own. Omega fatty acids are important because they regulate body functions like cell division, blood clotting, muscle activity, and response to injury. The National Institutes of Health suggests eating about 1 to 1.5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids per day, preferably from food rather than supplements.
Now we are faced a question about, does omega-3 help with anti-aging? The answer is yes. How?
Omega-3 is a fat that we hear a lot of, is that it's an essential fatty acid.
You've likely heard about omega-3's ability to support heart and brain health, but it's worth knowing about their potential to promote glowing skin and slow down the aging process.
The body loves using this omega-3 for cell membrane function and repair.
These powerful fatty acids act as a boost for your skin, aiding in miniaturization, elasticity, and regenerative abilities to cell in your body. Omega-3 fatty acids help slow the aging process in several ways. Telomere length. It helps maintain the activity of telomerase, an enzyme that preserves the ends of chromosomes. Telomeres are protective caps on the ends of chromosomes that shorten over time, and this process is linked to aging. Inflammation and stress. Stress is a major contributor to numerous health problems and can accelerate the aging process. When the body is under constant stress, it releases hormones like cortisol, which over time can weaken the immune system, increase inflammation, and damage cells. This can lead to issues such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and digestive problems. In terms of aging, stress depletes the skin's collagen and accelerates the formation of wrinkles and fine lines, making a person look older sooner. Chronic stress also disrupts sleep and reduces the body's ability to repair and regenerate, further speeding up the visible signs of aging. Omega-3 may help reduce inflammation and stress hormone levels. Skin health. Omega-3's fatty acid helps improve dry, itchy, and scaly skin. Their anti-inflammatory and photoprotective properties may help strengthen the skin barrier and soothe irritated skin. And collagen. This short-chain fatty acid helps restore collagen in the skin, which can improve firmness. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that the body cannot create on its own. They can be found in marine organisms like algae and phytoplankton, and in foods like fatty fish, liver from lean whitefish. One of the major sources of this essential fatty acid to protect your aging process is natural seeds. Number 1, flax seeds. Number 2, chia seeds. And number 3 is hemp seeds.
Flaxseed is the highest source of omega-3.
Flaxseed is one of the world's oldest crops. There are 2 types, brown and golden, both of which are equally nutritious. Just one serving provides a good amount of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, along with several important vitamins and minerals.
And so, I believe it is much safer and much easier just to get your omega-3s from the flaxseed.
Flax seeds are a powerful superfood, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent addition to any anti-aging routine. Omega-3s play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin by reducing inflammation and promoting cell regeneration, which helps to combat fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Flax seeds are also packed with antioxidants like lignans, which protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental factors, slowing down the aging process. Regular consumption of flax seeds not only nourishes the skin, but also supports overall heart and brain health, making them a versatile, natural way to promote a youthful, glowing appearance from the inside out.
Chia seed is the second highest source of omega-3.
Next, our great seed is chia seeds. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, making them a valuable addition to any anti-aging diet. Omega-3s found in chia seeds help protect skin cells by reducing inflammation, which is a key factor in premature aging. They support the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture and preventing dryness, which can lead to fine lines and wrinkles. Besides this, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals that damage cells and accelerate the aging process. By promoting cellular repair and regeneration, chia seeds contribute to maintaining a youthful, radiant complexion and overall healthy skin. Now it is time to talk about hemp seeds. Hemp seeds have emerged as a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids that can contribute to overall health and well-being. These tiny seeds pack a punch when it comes to anti-aging benefits, thanks to their ability to support cellular health at the molecular level.
The body loves using omega-3 for cell membrane function and repair.
One of the most intriguing aspects of hemp seeds is their potential impact on telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes that play a crucial role in cellular aging. As we age, our telomeres naturally shorten. But certain nutrients, like those found in hemp seeds, may help maintain telomere length, potentially slowing down the aging process. By incorporating hemp seeds into your diet, you're not just adding a nutty flavor to your meals, you're potentially giving your body a natural tool to combat the effects of time on your cells, promoting a more youthful and vibrant you from the inside out. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the top 3 seeds that can help reverse aging. We hope you found this information valuable and are inspired to incorporate these powerhouse seeds into your daily diet.
If you're excited about natural ways to turn back the clock, you won't want to miss our next video. We'll be diving deep into how you can prevent aging effects by following the lifestyle recommendations of Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Her holistic approach to health and longevity is truly eye-opening, and we can't wait to share it with you. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on this game-changing information. Until next time, stay young at heart and keep nourishing your body with nature's anti-aging secrets.